Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Guys, in today's video, we're going to be jumping into Birdog, Peng, Pickle, Cheers from the base chain, Lfgo, and Success Kid. We've got quite a few things to unpack over here and to figure out whether it's a good time to buy in now, to hodl, or to ditch the project. So guys, I think you know what time it is. It's time to strap onto your boots and put on your rocket helmet. So let's get into the video. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So let's kick off the show with Birdog. On the day we're down by 6.41% to the downside. However, if we take a look at the chart from a larger time frame, because I really hate charts from the hourly chart. So as we can see, we're still ranging sideways here, but we could possibly be falling a little bit lower. But as long as we do hold away or hold in this level right up here, then this could potentially be a decent accumulation phase before we literally move to the upside. However, it largely depends on what goes on within BTC, because if Bitcoin decides to drop, then the rest of the market will fall to its ass. However, it will still give us a decent opportunities to get into Birdog, because overall and for the broader picture, I reckon that with Birdog we should be able to see more than 100x at ease, because the current market cap is at $4.1 million. 10x away from here, you put the market cap at 41 million. 100x, you put the market cap at 411 million, and then that 1000x, it should put the market cap at $4 billion. To see memes hit 4 billion, that should be achievable. I reckon it's most definitely doable, depending on which meme that we are referring to. Birdog could in fact be one of those memes that could hit that 1000x, because it's got a huge community. So why don't we jump into the next one, and that is going to be Peng. If we then take a look at Peng's chart, guys, this is still looking pretty bullish if you ask me. However, if we zoom out from the chart, guys, what we can see is the chart is looking pretty bullish. We did see this pump to the upside, but then after a while it capitulated back down to this level right here. In fact, it's even gone lower than this lower here to down here. However, it's looking like this could be a perfect accumulation phase, where if we add a lot more to our bags, we should be expecting at least a retest back into this level, which is like another 26%. And then once we do smash our way through here, then our next leg up should be this area right up here. The current price for Peng is at 14 cents. If we do manage to break above 30-cent mark, then we should be able to retest fairly quickly at 70 cents once we do smash through that level. And this level, we're going to retest back towards the last all-time highs of $1.70. How high do we reckon we can go for Peng? Well, firstly, let's take a look at the market cap. It's at $14.17 million market cap. 10x away from here, you put the market cap at 141 million, and then 100x, $1.4 billion market cap. But you let me know in the comments, guys, are we bullish on Peng? Do we reckon that Peng could reach to that 100x? So let's move on to the next one, which is going to be Pickle. Pickle has got a decent community, and the price has dropped just a little bit, like ooh ah, a little bit more, ooh ah, just a little bit. You know what I'm looking for, Pickle. And if we take a look at the chart from a daily perspective, guys, it's still looking pretty bullish if you ask me, because what I'm noticing is this rounding off from here. Whenever I do see it rounding up from the bottom, it tends to be a bullish continuation to the upside. Something along a line like this should mean that we should be able to retest back towards the last all-time highs in no time. However, I could also see that we could range sideways here for a short while before Pickle chooses a direction, and depending on what BTC does, then ultimately Pickle will follow in the same direction. I'm extremely bullish on this project because I can see Pickle go 1000x, and that is freaking insane, guys. Just imagine if you put in just $100, and if you were to get 1000x return, that's $1 million freaking dollars. I'm not shilling here, and I don't want to give anyone a false impression, but if you were to do the maths, sometimes some of these memes and cryptos can do some crazy moves to the upside. If we see 100x even with just $100, like I said earlier in the video, that's basically. But don't let me digress, let's get straight back into the video. So overall, guys, I reckon with Pickle, we should be able to expect at least roughly around about 1000x. That means the market cap we need to get to $1.5 billion market cap is extremely doable. So why don't we move on to the next one? And that's going to be the Cheers token on Base Network. Guys, if you compare volume from Cheers token on Base versus Solana, it's not that much of a difference because the volume for the Cheers token on the Solana network is roughly around about 100,000, whereas for the Cheers token on this Base chain is only at 44,000. So if you take a look at the market cap, it's currently at $311,000. It's extremely risky, guys, but then again, so is most of the memes. So only put down what you afford to lose, because potentially I could see a similar setup, or well, basically I see a similar initial setup as a Cheers token from Solana network. If we then see the similar move to the one on the Solana network, then we could see this variation of Cheese token go up by more than 1000x quite easily. And if we do see the same explosive move to the upside for this variation of Cheese, then guys, we could see quite easily 100x gains from this project even well before the bull season kick in. But let's do a quick little deep dive on this chart. We just need to break through certain levels in order for me to remain even more bullish. One, we need to break above from this key level right up here. Secondly, I want to see us to remain above this level here as well. Let's change this color into red, signifying that if we do come back down to here, if we fall below, then it's not exactly game over, but it just means we need to restart the bullish move to the upside, which will take a lot longer for us to get there. So currently, as we can see from the chart and where I've drawn it, we are still in a sideways action. We just need to see a break to the upside, then I'll be even more bullish. So as long as we creep up anywhere near there, the second that we break up from here, I'm going to be adding a lot more to my bags, because potentially, like I said a few moments ago, we could see that 100x coming in for this variation of Cheers token. So what's my prediction for this variation? Well, if we then see 10x, the market cap will need to get to 3.1 million. If we then see 100x, the market cap would only need to get to 31 million. But guys, just imagine this. In order for us to see a 1000x for this variation of Cheers token, we would only need to see $311 million market cap. So let's move on to the next one, which is going to be Lfgo. Guys, this could be a fantastic opportunity for us to get in, because Lfgo's highest market cap was around about 28 million. We can quite easily see a 10x for Lfgo. We could even easily see 100x, because 10x away from here, the market cap will only need to get to 35 million. And then if we see 100x, the market cap will only need to get to $350 million. And then if we see a 1000x, and this is quite doable for Lfgo, if we then see a 1000x, the market cap will need to get to $3.5 billion market cap. So let's move on to the next one, and that is going to be Success Kid. Now, take a look from a daily perspective. Guys, I know we've dropped down below from this level right over here. However, looking at it objectively from a larger time frame, this could still be an amazing opportunity for us to dollar cost average and to continue to accumulate this meme token, because I reckon at the end of the day, we can quite easily exploit our way out of here to reach to this level before we go back up towards the last recent highs, which is right up here. Only until we break this level, then we can quite easily get back up to that 21 cent mark. I am mega bullish on Success Kid during a bull season, because firstly, the market cap is extremely low, so we can quite easily see that 1000x too. Unlike most of the other memes, it has low circulating supply of 88 million, and most importantly, and above all, it is a recognizable meme token, or should I say meme, on the internet for many years. And once we do see Success Kid on maybe a couple of more centralized exchanges, then I can see some crazy prices coming in for this crypto. Guys, I reckon we should be able to see 10x with ease. That will put the market cap at 26 million. And then if we see 100x, the market cap will need to get to $260 million. And then finally, I reckon we're going to see a 1000x for Success Kid, and that'll put the market cap at $2.6 billion market cap. So guys, you let me know what you think of Birdog, Peng, Pickle, Cheers token on base chain, Lfgo, and Success Kid. Which one of these do you reckon can get to that 100x or maybe even 1000x? Can Peng go all the way up to the 1000x? What about Success Kid? Has people lost faith within this meme? Can Birdog remain supreme? So, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Whether you are new or not and you haven't done so already, guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications to be updated with all my latest content and videos, and check out my last few videos over here. And I'll see you all in the next one.